Hajj is the holiest experience for Muslims that unites millions in spiritual pilgrimage. While spiritual, it is also a challenging experience that requires support and guidance on every step, with accommodation, flights, holy sites, etc. To assist Indian Hajj pilgrims, state Hajj inspectors have been appointed by Government of India. These inspectors help pilgrims from their respective states and provide essential guidance and help at every step. Haj Suvidha app offers State Hajj Inspector feature for smoother, faster and more reliable assistance with all contact details of your Hajj inspectors. Open Haj Suvidha app and log in with credentials. You will see the main dashboard. There you will find Know Your State Hajj Inspector. State Hajj inspectors' details will appear here, including their phone numbers and assigned state or region. Pilgrims can report any issue related to Hajj to their state Hajj inspectors. Here, you can also access the details of cover IDs, cover head. Cover head is the primary contact of the pilgrims group. Anyone from this group can be contacted by using calling icon. One can also access the information of the pilgrims of this group. State Hajj inspectors will serve you wholeheartedly at various stages of your Hajj journey. They serve as a link between pilgrims and authorities in India and Saudi Arabia government. For every pilgrim, at every moment, Government of India stands with you.